What's going on, guys? It's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery and author of Diamonds in the Sky. Chilling in Starbucks right now. I am at the tail end of a whirlwind 2-week traveling bonanza. I've been in 4 different climates in the last 12 days. I started out in the Rocky Mountains, flew from Denver to San Diego, California for a traffic and conversion seminar where it was like 60s. Of course, I left the Rockies and it's winter there, it's ski season. Went to San Diego for like 3 days for that seminar, which was awesome. I got a lot of good stuff to bring back to you guys in terms of roof sales mastery and things like that. And then went directly from San Diego to Cancun, Mexico, where I spent 5 amazing days at a music festival called Deja Vu for Bass Nectar, which is like one of my favorite artists, probably my favorite artist of all time. That was amazing. It was 85 degrees every day, sunny, beautiful, 70 degrees at night. It was a dream come true. Directly from Cancun to Seattle, which is where I am right now. And I was actually supposed to leave today, but there was an avalanche in Colorado. So I-70 is closed with no estimated time of reopening. So instead of being stuck in Denver all day, I'm just going to stay one extra day here with the love of my life in Seattle. So that's what I'm going to do. But you know, this wonderful 2-week period of travel has just really reminded me that this is why we do what we do when we get up every single day and we go to work, right? So whatever that means for you, whether you're doing what you love to do or you're doing what you have to do right now, we do it because we want to be able to do the things that we want to do. And I think sometimes people get confused and they think it's all about the money. Oh, you work so hard to make a ton of money. And we do work hard to make money, but the reason is not for the money itself. It's because of what the money allows us to do. It allows us to have the freedom to go and do the things we want to do and travel and get gifts for people we want to get and bring people along and show people a wonderful experience as well. You know, bring people along for the ride. And what money affords you is freedom. And that's why, you know, this lifestyle is so amazing, why I love the internet marketing lifestyle, teaching you guys something. I get to bring tremendous value to literally thousands of people all over, not just the country, but the world. I get emails from people from Canada. I've had emails from people from Australia, England, Russia, Germany. It's been amazing. And it's just an awesome reminder to do what you love and do it well, and you will receive back in value what you put out into the world. And so I believe that the amount of money that you earn is just a reflection of the amount of value you provide others. And so kick ass at what you do, really put everything that you have behind it, and keep in mind why you're doing it so you can have a fun and amazing life. And don't get so caught up in it that it's just about money and it's about paying for a 72-inch TV and having the newest truck and the biggest house. And like, don't forget about experiences. Don't forget about investing in your life experience, the memories, the people that you love to spend time with, because that's what it's really all about. So I want to thank you guys all for helping me have this opportunity, because without you guys, I wouldn't have a product, I wouldn't have a program. So thank you so much for making Roof Sales Mastery a success by taking what I teach, kicking ass with it, and then helping others to do the same. It's really awesome. So carry on, everybody. Have a wonderful day. I'm going to continue a day here in Seattle. I woke up to a blizzard happening here. It's very confusing. My suitcase is full of everything from flip-flops to bikinis to sweatshirts, coats, and combat boots. It's been a confused couple of weeks here for being in different climates, but take care, keep it crunchy out there. As always, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can visit the website, roofsalesmastery.com, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.